group about 30 or 40 coming in, it looks like. My reed's stuck. Big old group of them out there. I don't know if they're up and down. They're going to come into us. It's probably about 25. Come on into us, guys. Come on into us. Here they come. Don't move. Hey, Tim. Tim, are you looking at those ducks that just landed? Are you loaded? Okay. Let's let them swim in, and then we'll take them. On 3. 1. Don't shoot into the group. Aim. 1, 2. Dadgummit. Alright, I'll get him this time. You cover me.
I don't know if I hit any, but...
I know I got 2.
Oh, you shot 2?
Yeah.
Tell me you're down.
I don't know.
3.
Looked like 3.
So maybe I shot 1.
Tim.
Boom.
Boom, brother. Is this thing blinking?
Yeah.
Hey, we got on camera.
So I guess I did shoot 1.
Oh.
I was too busy looking at my gun. Damn.
2 above us, 2 above us. They come in, take them. Green wing teal. A redhead. Too high, Tim. No, they're too high.
He's already injured.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna let him come run around, no problem.
Well, they were going.
Did they see you?
No.
Ah.
But it's not until I stood up.
Oh. I thought they were gonna try to land on me.
Oh, so maybe I shouldn't. Oh, that's why you said Tim.
Huh?
I thought that's why you said Tim.
Oh, neither of them. You hit him. Just way up there. 2 redheads and a green wing teal.
Normally I wouldn't have taken another shot, but I already shot, you know.
Oh, no problem.
Pretty good.
This is how it's supposed to be. Man, that group that came in, that's a big group of ducks.
See, we should have got more of them. But cool.
Did your gun jam on you?
Yeah, it did. I think that's why. Where we did shoot for. So are we at 2 feet?
Yep.
Well,
There's
did
a green
you
wing.
shoot the teal?
I don't know, one of us did.
That's cool. That's better than me.
Oh, my hands are cold.
I think teal are cool. Okay. Too far. Hey, come on. Let's run this thing back in.
Hey, Tim.
Yeah?
Practice your calling quite a couple times.
Good.
He's just out of range. Very curious duck. Getting tired of holding my gun. He's just out of range. You're doing good, Tim. Keep it up. You're doing good. Doing good, Tim. Doing good. Keep it up. Come on, get within range. You're almost within range. Hands are shaking. All right. Come on, come on, come on. Freaking.
You know the shell? You might as well run on the bank.
That killed him. 3 shots. Good gosh. Yeah, I dinged him in the head. Yep, there he goes finally. It may be too deep for me. Hey, there's a third one dead over there, so we've got 3, 4 on the water right now. No, they're still out there. Hopefully they'll float to shore and we'll get them. There's one. Looks like a blackjack. Yeah, ringneck.
I think those are pretty birds, but...
Oh, I guess too deep. Keep kicking towards me.
I think that calling was pretty bad.
Hey, it worked, man. You brought him in. Good job. Greenwood teal. Today's bad shooting brought to you by Winchester, whose shells I will not buy again. Dang it, he's just out of range. Dadgummit. He's too far out. Gotta keep up how many ducks we have. We can only kill 4 more. Oh, it's a teal. Oh. Oh, I'm towing a decoy over there. Hands are numb.
Yeah, they get cold quick.
They do. This is one that we shot earlier.
Oh, really?
He dove on it.